Hey everybody, before we create and host a Splash Studio event, it's really important to understand the full attendee journey. So let's take a look at a typical guest experience from end to end. In the first step, guests will receive an invitation email where they can click through and go to the event page. On the Splash event page, the guest will submit their RSVP. They then have the option to add the event to their calendar. What's important about the calendar invite is that it contains each guest's personal access link for joining the event. On the day of the event, guests will receive a reminder email that contains their access link. Using the access link, the guest can check into the event and hang on the Splash Studio waiting screen until the host goes live. And there you have it. The guest experience for a Splash Studio event, which will usually feature screen sharing, Q&A, polls, live chat, and even networking circles. The next step, let's learn how to create and host our very first Splash Studio event.